How you doing, guys? This is part 2 of the dollar CAD trade from this week, okay? So it is crucial that you know where you are as a trader in a trend, especially you swing traders out there. I reckon that so many people have made lots of money in the bull market, in the stock market, and then they didn't realize where they are in the cycle of a trend, and they've given all the profits back. I bet that has happened. I know that for a fact, that people that don't know much about this at all have given all the profits back. And it's always about understanding where you are in a trend on any time frame. All right, so that's very important, any time frame. And I'll be doing a video this weekend about, I'm going to teach you how to understand where you are in a trend, when not to buy, and when maybe to do a short side trade. So let's look at this dollar CAD trade from this week. I was looking at this down move and looking for a potential reversal around here. It did go sideways for a day, and then suddenly yesterday we did pop up. All right, so we got the profits on the dollar CAD made over what, 2, 4, 5. What's that now? £600 on the dollar CAD. Closed that one off last night, in fact. And then the dollar yen, I took the same because I knew exactly where I was in the trend on the dollar yen. Don't forget to watch this video that's coming out about ends of trends and the psychology around ends of trends this weekend. So that was a nice profitable trade. We end up today, we're up 2,000. Yesterday and today we're up £2,000 in our spread betting account. 5 waves down, end of trend. Trend predictor, we're up here. All right, so there's no way I want to be sort of doing anything besides getting long around this area here. I don't want to be getting long here or getting long here. It's this area which is the end of a trend and a potential reversal, which is so profitable. It can be so profitable, can be so rewarding. And if you understand where you are in that trend, then you won't get into trades too late, okay? It was going to save you so much pain. So dollar CAD there, we closed that off, decent profit, very slow market at the moment. We're not really seeing follow-throughs on big moves at the moment. It's I wouldn't say a tricky market. It's a tricky market if you don't know what you're doing, all right? So that's the dollar CAD trade. Let's have a little look at the dollar yen as well, which we took for 600. Dollar yen, all reds all the way down here with the color method, and then we found this base, and then we pushed higher. Look at that lovely hammer candlestick there. A hammer candlestick is when the wick is long, and then the body is open and close is right at the top of that wick. And you see it in the bottom of a trend. It is a potential reversal, hammer reversals. And they're a good sign that the market is going to reverse and go back in the other direction. All right. Talk about hammer reversals. Got a lovely little treat for you guys. If you go down to the description, I've put together a US stock trading, day trading strategies course for you that you can all do. It's completely free of charge. Just log in and enter your details and get that free stock trading course. It was what my mentor taught me 20 odd years ago. He taught me the day trading strategies for US shares on the open, gap in shares. I thought I'd give you that as a nice freebie. There's about 5 trading strategies that you can have from me, and they're completely, as I said, free of charge, which my mentor, who passed away recently, literally gave me many years ago. So I'm passing those on for you with each detail of actually how to trade that strategy. Okay, so I hope it helps. And don't forget, this weekend, I'm going to be talking to you about ending patterns, I call them, the ends of trends. It is so important for you to know the end of a trend. Otherwise, as I said, you're going to get into trades far too late. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. That was the dollar CAD part 2, and a decent profit. Beats working for a living.